SB19 takes over Acer HQ. Ayan, so panoorin natin to mga madam sir, no, mula kay Ninang Acer Philippines ng ating mahalima SB19. Okay, so mga madam sir, sabay-sabay po nating panoorin to. Samahan nyo po ako dito mga madam sir, no. Okay, so hindi ko napapanood to. 15 minutes yung pinakang video. Let's go. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Play natin to. Okay, so ito mga madam sir yung pinakang kadugtong ng ginawa kong reaction video sa SB19 vlogs or sa vlog ng ating malima, which is yung Taipei part 2 nga po. Yun na in-upload ko kanina lamang din po. Since may nag-request sa akin nito na panoorin ko din daw. Okay, so pinanood natin to. Let's go, tulad nito. Mga ID na.
What is up?
I think she's going to give us.
Good morning, everyone. To
Good
start
morning.
off your day,
Yes.
I'm going to hand off the badges to you
Wow.
so you can get through the office.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, oh.
Me. Hello.
Bagets,
Josh,
Josh.
Justin, Steph.
may subtitle.
Yes, yes, very much.
This, I'm going to be your mentor of the day and your orientation if you need any support.
May
just
orientation.
find me, and then let's go get a fresh cup of coffee
Okay.
first.
All right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
May orientation. So para silang mag-trabaho dito, no, or mag-a-apply ng trabaho sa Acer, no. Sa Acer, no, sa Acer. Let's go. Orientation.
But syempre, since we're going to be employees for today
Oh,
sa Acer,
yun na nga, no, employee
bago
sila
natin
dyan.
simula ng araw, coffee muna.
Coffee
Diba?
matic.
Let's order coffee.
You can order breakfast.
Excuse me.
So,
For me, Royal Pink Cafe.
Panis.
Due.
Wow.
Panis, local.
Local.
You next. What's your order?
Alam niyo,
Tawanan
dati dito daw nag-work si Kuya Alvin.
Alden yan. Alden na recharge.
Hindi yung recharger. Pero guys,
Recharger.
tapos panini.
as employees, no, kailangan daw natin gumawa ng report.
What kind of report?
Ganito.
Mga product, i-list ng product na iuwi natin sa Pilipinas. Yeah!
Kasi ano tayo, ang work talaga natin dito is to test.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
So we need,
And if we like the
Beta
product, we get to keep it.
yeah,
Of course, we should.
ready.
Yeah, of course, ready to go.
Let's move.
Let's go.
Last time we were here and we're really amazed before because there's full of technologies and different stuff that we haven't tried before. Really amazing.
Parang supervisor manager Pablo. Ang datingan
Kung makikita nyo po, nandito tayo sa napakaliit na ng Acer nila. 14 inches na lang ata ito ah. Tingnan nyo guys, napaka tindi ng specs kasi na ito. Ito, nandito yung specs niya.
Gaming boy,
4842
Josh
HS
Kaya.
processor and Radeon 780M. Naka 144Hz din to. So ito, wala
Alam na
akong
alam yung
handheld
spec
gaming device eh. This is so much better than my previous handheld gaming device.
Malalarong Josh kasi yan eh. Kaya matik.
Ayos to ah. Dito ka na maglalaro. Pag gusto mo maglaro pero ayaw mo mag-guilty, make your green mark, guys.
High-tech
Para
na
merong
kumbaga, no?
ginagawa.
Tapos yung, alam mo yung pag nakaupo ako, yung gumaganan-ganan ako.
At sinacharge na yung table.
Nako, pag naglalaro ka, tas wala na. Bilisan mo pa, kaklatch ka. Kaklatch ka, Justin.
Nasaan
ano
yung
mo?
monitor niyan?
Pag naglalaro ko, nakataas yung paa ko.
Yan yung mga ano.
Dyan, kailangan mong gamitin yung paa mo.
C4 has been planted on.
Ang bigot.
Hindi, nakadikit.
Hindi nakadikit. Hindi mo. Bukas mo.
Ay, nakadikit.
Ay, nako, Justin. Bakit mo yung natinira?
Yeah.
Tayo.
Lagot, inangat. Yari ka dyan, no? Napagbintang ang pang nasira.
Nako, Justin. Bakit mo yung natinira? Tayo.
You will be meeting with our chairman and CEO Jason Chen and also
Andrew.
Asia Pacific President Andrew Ho, which you know them already.
Yep. Okay.
So let's move to the other meeting.
Josh.
Come on, Josh. Stop playing,
Josh.
even though you won. Come on, everybody.
side delays lang sila eh. No? Alam talaga mga empleyado eh. No? Okay. Oh, yung CEO.
Good to see you. Welcome. Justin, right?
Good to see you.
Justin.
Papa, you're the leader.
Kilala pala eh. You're a leader. Kilala nila ka.
Are you okay, right?
Kilala sila oh. Okay, si Andrew Hu. President, tapos chairman and CEO si Jason. Check. Okay, nakaharap nila yung mga boss ha, mga big boss ng Acer.
Already.
Yeah,
So what do you have? What do you have in mind for?
I actually thought that I'm just gonna live here.
Yes, we really like everything, especially all those, from like what you've said, from the simplest things to the, complex things to the for the gamers and everyday usage.
For me, I like how Acer really pushed for sustainability. So yeah, we were talking about earlier about the Vero set, the Vero line, and everything is very creative, and yet you don't sacrifice the quality because plastic is really easy to break and tarnish and all, but you use other sustainable materials like the seashells. So it's really nice.
I feel like this is not just a partnership, but it's like a real family, and we're really thankful for believing in us as the team. We also believe in the mission of Acer. That's why we're always happy to be here with everyone.
I believe it's the same. We share the common belief and the same theme
Yes,
between
already,
Acer
SB19.
and SB19.
I agree.
So that's very, very good.
Yeah.
Good for the world, good for people. But we believe in SB19 and you believe on Acer. That mutual trust, mutual belief carry us through the journey the past years and many years ahead of us. All right? Thank you very much again. Thank you.
Alright.
We do have a gift.
Sama na na.
Oh, let's go!
Acer at SB19.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's our signature gaming PC.
Gaming PC for each of you. Oh! Nabigyan pa nga ni. Iinit sila, no? Magkano kaya halaga niyan? Mahal yan, sigurado. Okay. Tapos na ang kanilang meeting or orientation with Acer CEO and President. Ito yun, no, yung nilaro nila, oh, 'di ba? Yung nandun sa vlogs nila. Ito yun, no, 'di ba? Yung parang meron dito nabasa ko yung parang ito yung JC, oh. 'Di ba kay Josh? 'Di ba? Ito yun eh. Ano talaga Acer?
So today we're going to do some innovation with you guys to design our Predator 8 cover. We have this cool Predator products, gadgets over here, and also the thermal design, and also we have some cool color material finish samples, so you can give you a lot of inspiration so that you can design something really cool that fits your style or you wish to have for your next laptop.
Parang yung pinakang main product ng Acer, no, laptop talaga, no. So laptop karaniwan kasi parang tama, laptop, no. Drawing sila. Kay Style yun, no. Kay Ano maganda kay Justin kanina. May talent din talaga si Justin kasi sa pag-drawing talaga. JC, oh. Gamer. Kay Ken, oh.
So you know that
Okay.
we have design lab here and we have 3D printers. So we have prepared little gifts.
Oh, really?
Wow. Design like each of you a unique character. And
Wow.
It's already pretty tough there.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
go.
Should we go there?
Yes. How do we do that?
Wow.
Your gift is inside.
Oh my God.
Ano yun? Grabe mo.
So that's
There's a fairy,
Ano yun?
a mermaid, dragon. It's not us, but it's for us. How are we going to this one?
Ayun na nga, oh.
oh my God.
Ayan sila.
So who's who? Which is which?
Mga kanya-kanyang karakter nila.
Pili ko ako to.
Maybe
diba?
it's a wolf.
Wolf
I
yan.
think ikaw to Justin kasi fairy eh. Di ba? Mahilig ka sa fairy.
Yes.
Justin.
Ako yung mermaid
Very
ba?
good mother.
Ay, oo, may logo ko. Haha!
May logo.
May logo eh. Ayun na JC oh, ikaw to.
Oh, sabi ko na yung kay JC dito.
Wow!
Yeah, manok.
Bakit ako merman?
Oh.
Bakit ako merman?
Kasi yung sinabi mo, di ba may buntot ng mermaid yung ano?
Merman.
Character ko. Wow, oo nga.
I have my own Tinkerbell.
Is a bat? Or a dragon?
Astig. Ha. Manok ko. May manok. I can.
Wow, thank you.
You like it?
Yeah! May six-pack abs tong karakter ko. Wala kayo.
6 packs abs. Ngayon na yung bike.
Alright.
Ay, take talaga easy.
SB19 Fantasy Challenge.
Fantasy challenge. Oh, may challenge pa sila.
So you're going to think about like something designed for your fans during this different sections. So you are going to have 15 minutes for this section, but during the section we are going to have the quick fire Q&A.
Okay, may question na siya.
Q&A. Alright.
Okay, so quiz 2. Yeah, so let's start.
Acer din yan. Yung pan na yan.
Okay, so I'm going to have the first Q&A.
Okay. Oh my God.
So are you an introvert or extrovert behind the scene?
I am introvert all the way.
All the way.
Yes.
All the way.
So the first one is if you want a musician, what kind of different role you will be?
You.
I think a barista. I like coffees, but right now, I'm not really good at making. I only have the machine to make the coffee.
Okay, so I will have the next question for you.
Oh my God.
Food you always crave on tour to Taiwan.
Oh my God, my favorite food here in Taiwan right now is tohua.
Oh,
Yeah, tohua. I love tohua because first it's protein, and next is it has fruits, and it's natural sweet. So I like it, and it has milk as well. In the Philippines we have that same snack, and we call it taho. Taho, but it's the sweeter version because it has brown sugar on it. But here it's kind of balanced because it's not that sweet, and it has its natural sweetener, which is the dried fruits and the milk.
more healthy.
Yeah, more healthy. I love tohua. Tohua. And there's
Nag-heart-heart
another
pa.
one. It's sweet potato balls.
Oh.
Sweet potato balls.
Oh, the
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Ang ganun lang ang balat
The
yun.
taro one. Yeah.
ice cream or milk tea?
Ice cream.
Okay. Last question will be the favorite dance move right now.
Favorite dance move right now?
Or you want to just, show us a bit.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll just show it. I think Stel made this.
Papakita talaga niya.
Yeah, it's like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, some ball, na 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 na
Ah,
na.
Peyton
On the
Boy,
ground, 8, some ball. No.
Natawa si ate, oh. Nag-i-enjoy si ate kay Josh, oh.
Wait, I'm capping. Oh, so I'm fly. Ayoko na. Yes. Thank you.
What certain behavior makes you laugh?
Kaya naman.
Well, sometimes when they get really No, not really that, but sometimes they get sometimes like reckless. I think and they make like mistakes. I think it's cute, but I'm not saying that they should do it like yeah, they should do it unintentionally. I think it's really cute and fun.
Okay, that's great.
That's great. Okay. Uy. Ito. Ito mo ganito. May ano. Pantay na pantay talaga yung mga linya-linya yung ginamit. Oh. Galing nila mag-drawing, ha? So fun. So fun. Napagkaangat na pinirmahan pa isa-isa, no? Ang kanya-kanya mga drawing nila, oh. Ilalagay sa museum yun.
Tapos na
Acer
po namin
Fitness,
mag-work.
okay.
We've worked so hard. So we
Workout na naman.
or we actually deserve to syempre work out. Diba, ganun talaga ang buhay. After mo mag-workout ka pa. Pahihirapan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi, pero ito ang isa sa mga favorite namin
Habit nyo na yan,
na
eh.
ginagawa recently. So halos lahat kami ay nag-gym except Justin. Pero hindi ko natutulog. Oh.
Ayaw
Grabe
niya.
yung workout mo Justin.
Justin tulog.
Oh, yan. Yan ang yung workout niya kasi usually ano yan eh.
Wow. Solid experience ng SB19 sa Acer Philippines. Okay, so mga madam sir, no, SB19 takes over Acer HQ, no? Select natin. Mula kay Ninang Acer Philippines, no? Ay, nakapag-subs na tayo dyan. Alright, so yun mga madam sir, no? Thank you so much Acer Philippines, no? Sa pag-invite sa ating mahalima dito nga po sa HQ, kung nagkakamali, headquarters, kumbaga, no? Ng Acer to. Nagtilang mga empleyado sila ng Acer nga po, no. Okay, so once again, thank you so much mga madam sir sa panonood ng aking video at upload na to, no. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa panonood nito. Okay, so magkita-kita ulit tayo sa mga sunod na upload. And then once again, ingat kayo palagi. God bless all. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Once again, Dogs TV and peace and about. Yeah.